domino. We have 4 dots here. We need to fill in how many dots more to get to 9. So we could subtract 9 minus 4 to get to 9, because that's what they want us to learn today. Or we could say 4 and watch Mrs. Murphy. Put your pencils down, put your eyes up here. I could say the number 4, and then I could count up to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when I do that, Lewis, how many dots are on this side? 5. So in this box, I'll put 5, because 5 is my missing addend. And 9 minus 4 is 5. All right, on the orange domino, I have 2 dots. And I want to add some more dots to get to 8. However, I don't know how many more. That's my missing addend. So I could take 8 minus 2. Or what else could I do, Ellie? You mean 8 minus 2, honey?
Yeah, 8 minus 2 equals 6.
You're right.
And in the middle would be 6.
So Ellie thinks it's going to be 6 in the middle. Let's see if she's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yay.
She is right. So 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, I just want to make sure. All right, the yellow domino has 6 dots on one side. Plus, we're going to add another number to get us 11. So this is our missing addend. So Libby, what do you think that would be? We're at 6, so we want to get to 11. So say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What would that be, Libby? 5. You're right. And I know that that's correct because 11 minus 5, or I'm sorry, 11 minus 6
So when you
equals 5. Okay, the green domino has 3 dots. And I want to add some more dots to get to 12. So I've got to find that missing addend. So Riley, what do you think? What was that? 12. We can take 12 and we can take 3 away to figure it out.
9.
That would be easy. We could start at 12 and go back 3. 12, 11, 10, 9. We could count back. 9. And that would be right.
It's 9 because I counted.
Good. So 9 dots.
Because you asked 12 and you got 3 more. It's 12.
So Mrs. Murphy didn't make that too good. I'm going to redo it. 3, 3, and 3 going across.
I did that too. You should put some across and then some in the middle.
3, 3, and 3. That's called an array. We'll learn that as multiplication.
I did that too.
Okay, on the next domino, we have 4 dots. We're going to add some more dots to get us to 8. John, what do you think that would be? 4 plus what is 8?
Oh, this is a double. This is
It's a double. Somebody said 4 plus 4 is 8.
4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great.
Good job. 4 plus 4 is 8.
Because
And
it's
then
a double.
8 minus 4 Yep, it's another double. On the last one.
It's another double.
Another double. Second graders, 5 plus.
10.
Or I can subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. All right. Excellent job on this front page. Flip it over to the next page, please. Page 76.
Okay, page 70. Page 70. Miss Murphy, do we have to leave soon?
Okay, on the top of this page, it is just telling you what we learned this afternoon, that you can use a related fact to help you find a missing addend. So if you can't think of it as adding, try to think of it as subtracting, okay? Now, here is our missing addends. We got 4 problems. We're going to do number 1 says 8 plus what is 14? Can I have you guys do this on your paper, because tomorrow it'll make it so much easier. Can you, over to the side here, draw your fact family triangle? And can you please put your big number 14 on the top?
Make a triangle.
Yep.
Can we do it with a crayon?
Try a pencil so you don't, in case you make a mistake.
Okay. Then
And-
can we chase it with our pencils? Any crayons?
Once you get it down correct, you can. And then put 8 on one side. Remember, it doesn't matter if it's my brother or my sister, but 8 needs to go on one side. And then, I need to think, 8 plus what is 14? Ellie, 8 plus 6. So Ellie is correct. So put 6 in the box, put 6 on your triangle, and then draw 6 dots on your domino. Okay? So then, I can think 14 minus 8 is 6. I can think of it as subtraction if I can't think of it as addition. Eli. Oh, Eli says, remember from yesterday, I normally don't do this, but this is a new math curriculum, but Eli said, remember we had our parts yesterday? You could do that if you want to. Yeah, I've never done that before, but this is a brand new curriculum, so that would be really cool if you want to add that, and maybe Mrs. Burke can too.
Technically, that just looks like it's like nothing.
True.
It must make sense.
Good job. It would make sense. I like that, Eli. Thanks for reminding me. All right, let's go on to number 2, guys. 5 plus what is 11? I'm going to make my triangle right here by the 2. I'm going to put 11 at the top. I'm going to break this apart, 2 parts. One part is 5. What is the other part? 5 plus what is 11? Aria, do you think you know?
Yeah, 6.
6. 5 plus 6. So, we have to put a 6 here, 6 here, 6 dots, and we should be right because we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I'll slow down a second. So then I can think, if I don't know addition, I can think 11 minus 5 is 6. Why, did you have a quick question? Or are you ready for the next one?
So like 5 and 6 are near double.
It's a near double. So Wyatt, notice this is a near double. He's right, because 5 plus 5 would give us 10. But we have one more.
And 6.
Is 6, so one more is 11. Good job. Okay. I'm glad you guys are thinking this is easy because last year my second graders had a hard time with fact families. But I think you guys will get it. Let's not worry about it. Let's worry about getting our work done, okay? When Miss Schaefer comes in here, she'll take you. Okay, number 3. Our missing add-in is first. Plus 4 equals 8. So 8 is my big number. That needs to go on top. That's my mom and dad. And I'm going to break my triangle apart like Eli has mentioned to do. So I have 8 at the top of my triangle. I have 4 on one side of my triangle. What would be on the other one? What is the other missing add-in? Brooklyn, what do you think? 8. Well, 8's at the top, honey. That's as big as you can get. So 4 plus what is 8?
4 plus 4 is 8.
4 plus 4 is 8. You're right. So my missing add-in is 4. It's another double. 4 plus 4 is 8. So if I didn't know that, I can think of it as subtraction. 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, our last problem on this page. By number 4, draw your triangle again. It's our fact families. You're going to be really good at doing triangles.
I'm bad at making it. You can survive.
That's right, Eli.
Yeah. Survive.
All right.
I know this.
Just a second, Belinda. Let me read it first.
I'm bad at triangles.
You'll get really good at it. 7 plus what is 15? So 15 is my mom and dad, my parents at the top. And I have 7 as my brother or sister. What is the other missing one? Brooklyn?
7.
No, because 7 plus 7 is 14.
7 and a 7.
No, because look, I think.
14.
Brooklyn, 7 plus 7 is 14. So,
Eight.
an 8. 7 plus 8. Good job. So put 8. And that's a near double. It's close to being a double, but it's not.
Miss Muffin, can you erase everything? No.
Can I what, Liz?
Erase everything?
Why would I erase?
No, when you're like done. I
On
want to
here?
see what it does.
Oh, you want to watch me erase it with my hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. It makes a satisfying sound.
Oh.
After I'm done.
Or did Mrs. Jensen draw a circle and tap it? Did she ever do that?
No.
Oh, let me show you. I think it'll still work. Let me show you that magic trick in a minute.
Yeah, when I'm.
But I'll let you finish writing this before I make it disappear.
I'm done. What about this one?
Hey, the talk about math, you can X that off. Oh, thank you, Brooklyn. I forgot to put that. That should be an 8, hon. Yep, I forgot to put that. So 15 minus 7 would be 8.
Okay, show us the
Okay, good.
Do the magic trick.
Me, Carson,
Put 8.
Charlotte, and Aria. We have to read this thing.
Miss Murphy, I did the
Miss Murphy.
I did the
At
bottom.
some time you can go down to
Miss Murphy, I did the bottom one anyway. Miss Murphy, I did the bottom one.
We're gonna skip that.
Oh. Me, Carson, Charlotte, Aria.
Okay, my friends, I go with Miss Shaper. May quietly line up.
Can you wait till are we doing this people get back here?
Okay, I'll do it right now. I hope it still works. I gotta watch a quick magic trick.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I think it still works. Wait, maybe it doesn't work.
No.
Nope, I think I have to do it with my pen. I think I'm right. Nope. Do you know how to make it disappear?
And you had to do it on a smartboard, but not on the clicker, right?
You press the X.
Mrs. Murphy's got to think about it. There's a way to make it disappear. Well, not besides that. Here's a way to go around it and then tap it and then it all disappears.
Oh,
Okay.
Where is your pen, Miss Murphy? Find it.
No. Okay, flip to the backpack, please. We're going to do this problem solving together. The very back page with the fish on it.
Are we gonna do the brain builder?
Just get that one, okay?
Okay.
Holy moly! All right, let's get this done because it's going to be music time soon. On this page, we're only going to do the problem solving number 15 and 16 together. The brain builder you can cross off at the bottom. Where that fish is. Okay, I will read number 15. There were 14 seals on a rock. Some seals jumped into the water. 9 seals were left on the rock. How many seals jumped into the water? So how many seals are total? Corla?
14.
There are 14 total. So if I really wanted to, here's my stapler. I could do you see it, England? Okay. I could draw my triangle, like Eli said, draw your triangle. I could do that. So I could draw my triangle with 14 at the top, and then one of my parts would be 9. Because there's a total of 14 seals. 9 are left. So how many jumped off? Or I could subtract that, 14 minus 9. Or I could think 9 plus what is 14. So there's a couple different ways I can figure this problem out. I can either use subtraction or I can use addition. Eli, what do you think?
So you add, if 10 minus 9 is 1, if you add 4 more to 1, then it's 5.
You're right, it would be 5. So that's a good way to think of that, Eli, 5.
So technically,
Yep.
You're telling me the answer.
So there should be 5 seals left. Number 16. Anna buys 7 plants. She wants 12 plants. How many more plants does Anna need? So here's my fact family triangle. I have a total of 12 that she wants, but she only buys 7. So how many more does she need?
ooh, that's easy.
Louis?
Oh. Okay.
Louis? Oh, you're thinking. Okay.
18.
No, honey. No.
Oh.
Just wait a second.
Not me.
So we're at 7 and we want to get to 12. So say 7 and count 8 more. Or count up to 12. 7, 8, 12. No, you did it wrong. Say you gotta say 7. 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. So 5. Good job. So she needs to buy 5 more plants. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12.
Miss Murphy, look.
They're both 5s.
5 equals 10. 5.
Yep.
5 plus 5. 5.
Yeah, that's right.
And 5. Yes.
So that should be though 7 and 5. 7 and 5 there. Okay, does everybody have triangles done and you have 5 on both of these?
Go until the lines.
Now, what your job is, second graders, is you are going to find the missing addends. Can I give you a hint?
Yeah.
If you want to draw the triangles like we did on the other page to help you, you can. You don't have to. So on number 5, if it helps you to draw the triangle, over here, and put your big number, which is 12, on top, and then do your parts, you can do that. But you don't have to. But if you want to draw the triangles, you certainly can. Okay?